which airlines still transport passengers throughout Europe on the Boeing 747. The Seattle Boeing 747 assembly and production line would be taken down. It was announced on November 5, 2022. The final aircraft was delivered as a cargo aircraft to the freight company Atlas Air on Tuesday, January 31, 2023, after it rolled off the assembly line in Everett on Tuesday, December 6, 2022. The most recent generation of jumbo jets has a passenger variant called the Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental. 3 other airlines are now using it. Even all carriers will continue to fly this type to and from Europe starting in May 2023. However, in the interim, Korean Air and Air China have also decided to deploy this type back to Europe. Lufthansa, the largest user of the 747-8i in the world, had previously done so from Frankfurt on several routes. They are the Intercontinental's only 3 commercial operators. In addition to the daily flights operated on this route by the Boeing 777, Air China 747-8 will begin operating 3 times each week between Frankfurt and Beijing on May 1. And starting on May 22, Korean Air will fly daily from Seoul, South Korea's capital, to Paris with the newest jumbo jet. The 747-8i's low number of operators indicates that it was not a commercially successful aircraft. 2-engine aircraft were favored by the majority of airlines. In light of this, only the 747-8F cargo version was produced in recent years before jumbo jet manufacture was halted in early 2023. One of the only airlines in the world still operating passenger flights on the vintage 747-400 is Lufthansa. Additionally, only Mahan Air, Asiana, and Air China carry that type to Europe. Other airlines do not.